Okay, so let's go ahead and change our waveform. We're going to go ahead and change from decelerating, which is what we are on. That's the most common. We're going to change it back to a square waveform. So why would we change to a square waveform? Well, difference in waveforms does allow for different patient synchrony, more comfort, but it also changes our mean airway pressure. So usually in that decelerating waveform, you get a higher mean airway pressure and a lower inspiratory pressure. So if we're going from decelerating to square, we're going to expect to see an increase in our peak pressure. So let's see what happens. Okay, we can see the change in our waveforms, and we can see that our peak pressure went all the way up to 40, and we're now high pressure alarming. So we can see that just by changing the waveform, we have changed our inspiratory time. We are maintaining the same flow, but we can tell it's much shorter than it was before. So we have a 1.12 second I time instead of that 1.5 that we initially set. So our I/E ratio has changed. Because we're high pressuring, our tidal volume has changed, and therefore our minute ventilation will have changed. So be very cognizant if you are changing your waveform of those changes.